Hey Frank, this is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I spoke with Joan and she told me that you were going to be the one watching the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly, go through one of your competitors' sites really quickly, and then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in more traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out, and often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Without further ado, let's get into it. So here I am on your homepage, which, by the way, I actually really like this picture right here. Um, so it does look good. However, you can see that there is not a lot of content on here. And so Google's going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. And so you want to have at least 1,000 to 1,500 words on this home page. I did a word counter search and you actually have 383 words on here right now. So we would definitely want to add in a lot more content and make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they are going to crawl through your site and read everything and determine whether or not the information on your site will help their users find the services or the information that they're looking for. And also, in addition to having an appropriate amount of content, we also want to make sure that content is filled with the appropriate amount of relevant and high volume keywords so that we can get you ranked for all of the right things. And so over here, I've hopped onto Google. The keyword I'll be using for today's video is mold remediation Savannah GA. This is a really great keyword. It brings in around 150 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a few of those into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. And so beneath the search bar is typically where we're going to see some Google ads. There aren't any popping up right now, but Google ads are a really good way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition, especially while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. However, if they're done incorrectly, you can actually waste a lot of money on these. But if they're done correctly, it's a really good way to get things moving more quickly. And so beneath where the ads would usually be, here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. And so the Google Map Pack is a great place to be. It gets you right at the top of the front page, which is becoming more and more relevant to be on here now that more people are searching for things off of their phones. And the way that you make it to a top 3 spot to get on the front page is through having a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on an online local directory. So think Yelp, think Yellow Pages, think Yext. Those are all really good examples of highly used and well trusted directories. And so you want to be on as many of those as you can, and particularly on more than these 3 businesses are right here at the top. And so if we scroll down, here we have our organic search results. And so this should definitely be the main area of concern. It's going to be your best long-term return on investment. And this is just because Google has come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something in, they're actually going to click on one of these organic search results right here. And so here's the first company page that pops up. So we can take a look. And so right away you can see that they have a decent amount of content on here. I did a word counter search on them as well, and they actually have 953 words. So although they have more than you have right now, they technically don't even have the bare minimum for Google standards. So it would definitely be easy to beat them out content-wise. However, the main way that you're going to get up here is through backlinks. And so a backlink is basically just like a shout out from another website. And so you want to get these backlinks from high powered and relevant sites. So, for example, if a local plumbing company or a local construction company were to give you a backlink from their site, that would be a really good way for you to bring in power to your website. And so over here, I've hopped onto Ahrefs. This is a really great tool. I highly suggest using it if you ever try and do this on your own. It is a little pricey. I do pay $400 a month to use it, but it gives me a lot of great information. So right here, I typed in the competitor that we were just looking at, and here we can see that they have 509 backlinks from 103 referring domains and are ranking for 1,000 keywords. So we can actually take a closer look and see which keywords those are. And so they have quite a few. You don't need to have as many as they have, but right here we can see the different keywords that they have, how much volume, so how many people are searching for that keyword per month, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, and how many people click on their site from searching in that keyword. And so we can go through and see which ones apply to your business and bring in the most volume, and we can incorporate those into your content. And so, also, what I would like to do is we can actually go through and look at through their backlinks the same exact way that I just looked through all of their keywords. And so, they have quite a few backlinks, but not all backlinks are created equal. You want to have really high powered backlinks, and we can tell that by which ones have a high DR or domain rating. And so we can go through and snag the best ones for your site. And we do want to have as many as they have, but we want them all to be high quality. So we can get some from them, some from other people, and find some on our own. And so 470 is definitely beatable, but also keep in mind that this is just one competitor or one keyword for one of the services that you provide. And we want to be able to beat out all of your competition. And so, last thing before I wrap this up is I just typed in your site into Ahrefs. And so, right now, you guys have 43 backlinks from 21 different domains and are ranking for 9 keywords organically. And so, we can actually take a look. And so, right here, you can see that a lot of these already have your name in them. So, if someone wasn't already looking for you, it would be a lot harder for them to find you. So that's basically what I have for you for today is number 1, add in more keyword rich content. Number 2, get you more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number 3, we want more high powered and relevant backlinks. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and got something out of it. If you have any questions or want to possibly talk about teaming up, please email me back or you can give me a call. My phone number is 714-975-5909. So thanks for watching, and I hope to hear from you soon.